How to use FXCM's market scanner. Full walkthrough for traders. Hey traders, welcome back to the FXCM YouTube channel. In today's video, we're walking you through how to access and use FXCM's market scanner directly from the FXCM website. This tool helps you scan the markets for potential trades, quickly, clearly, and with precision. Let's go step by step. 1. How to access the market scanner. Start by heading to the FXCM website. From the main menu, navigate to Trading Tools, then click Market Scanner, and launch it via Trading Apps. Once inside, you'll be guided through a simple 4-step process to set your preferences. Step 1. Choose your symbol. Select whether you want to scan Forex pairs or CFDs like indices, shares, or commodities. Step 2. Select a time frame. Pick the time frame that fits your trading style. Short, 15 minutes, medium, 1 hour, long, daily. This helps the scanner tailor signals to your preferred trading rhythm. Step 3. Apply indicators. You'll see a list of built-in indicators, each with a toggle switch. 200 EMA, 30 EMA, trend direction, RSI, CCI, stochastic, momentum MACD, trend and momentum crossover, SSI, speculative sentiment index, crowd positioning. Just click on or off for what you need. It's fully customizable. Scanner output, what you see. Once your settings are live, the scanner displays the symbol, current market price, a buy or sell signal, signal strength as a percentage. And as you can see on the screen, a buy or sell button next to each symbol, guiding you directly on what action to take. It's simple, intuitive, and fast. Conclusion. The FXCM Market Scanner is one of the most underrated tools in your trading toolkit. Use it daily to find potential setups without scanning every chart manually. Like this video and subscribe to the FXCM YouTube channel for more expert tips and trading tools made simple.